All right, so this is one of my favorite ways also to get into the neck. Again, because this is for the online program, I'm gonna keep the anatomy pretty simple because it's, believe it or not that important. So, I mean, obviously right now I'm going into his neck, that's obvious. This is gonna be a little bit of the trap in the levator scapular area. You can Google that if you would like, but again, the point is I just wanna take the tool, I can use it in either direction, and I just wanna go over the tissue, believe it or not, softly. Again, Val, am I killing you right now?
No.
Yeah, no, he's
Could be
fine.
way worse.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not pushing very hard. And what I am doing is I'm going over every structure possible. When we go over the bone, I've said this a few times, because it's the periosteum, so it's the most highly innervated tissue in the body, that will be a sensitive area, but it's not dangerous because when 95% the same as the caveman and cavewoman, if we could be injured or die this easily, we wouldn't be here. So obviously, we want to work with the client and make sure they are okay, but pushing this soft on somebody, you can't hurt them. I mean, if I beat him with the tool, man, it's a different story, but here, I mean, he's totally fine. And again, as you can see, maybe by my height, I'm on my knee right now because I can also save my back and work in a better position. And from here, even though Vale didn't complain about headaches or neck pain or this or that, I mean, one, the entire connect chain is connected, and two, this is just a fantastic way to get in his neck anyway. So I can really come up to this area. It starts getting pretty sensitive here. I'm even pushing lighter here. So just make sure as you go in different areas that are going to be more sensitive, you don't maybe press the same on the shoulder blade as you do with the neck. If you do, again, you're not going to hurt them. I mean, it might hurt, but you're not going to injure them, I should say that. And when their hair is short, it's also quite nice because then I can go a little bit higher. This is quite often the headache area here. And if the tissue is healthy, it's not going to turn red like this. So if you see deep areas of red, then focus on those areas because that for sure is the part of their tissue that is not moving like we want it to. It's not sliding and gliding correctly. And if you see the breakage of capillaries, which we're seeing here, then we know that we're restarting that tissue injury response. And yeah, again, like I said, I want to keep a lot of the anatomy out of here. I mean, here's obviously the shoulder complex. We can see right here the AC joint for the shoulder. We can see the deltoid here. So, I mean, I can go a little bit into the anatomy. And again, here is a great way to also get that cervical spine, the cervical vertebrae, each vertebrae, oh man, each vertebrae? Yeah, sorry, Jesus, too much German here. Yeah, the vertebrae, sometimes I can't formulate my sentences in English anymore. I want to say it in like broken German. But either way, what I'm looking for here, which is the important part, is the spinous process. Spinous processes of the cervical vertebrae, and also you can even get a little bit into the thoracic here too. But the point is here is I want to see how the spine, the vertebrae, is gonna react to the treatment. Yeah, is it going to start to turn red like these spinous processes here, or if it's not going to, then I can move on. It's fine to go ahead and double check to make sure you didn't miss anything. Again, you can switch the position of the tool, but we just want to make sure that we basically leave no stone unturned, because at the end, often where they end up kind of still feeling a little bit of the pull, a little bit of the tension, a little bit of the pain, I will go back a little bit heavier, a little bit stronger, a little bit harder, and it turns more red. And every single time that pain, after I push a little bit harder in that one spot, it turns a little bit more red. Their pain is better and or completely gone in that area.